Hello out there in YouTube land, tactical boys and girls, fellow teabags. Cineric77 coming at you today with a rant review for y'all. So, with that being said, y'all know why I call them rant views. If you don't, just ask. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Today's rant view is going to be over this little baby right here. This is the CRKT Journeyer, designed by Mr. Liong Mah. Now, we're going to go ahead and jump on some specs for my spec freaks out there. So we have an overall length of 6.5 inches, a blade length of 2.76 inches, a blade thickness of 0.11 inches, a handle length of 3.86 inches, with your blade being made out of an 8 CR13 MOV stainless steel with glass reinforced nylon scales and 3 CR13 MOV stainless steel liners. Rockwell on your blade is a 58 to a 60. Your entire weight is 2.9 ounces, with extras being a lock pin / tool, left and right tip up carry only, hollow ground, black wash blade, and it's a slip joint, all for about the $30 to $33 range depending on where you get it. So all that's out the way. See if I left anything out. Yeah, ergos. I'm going to go over the ergos real quick because that's a part of my notes. Ergos, they're blocky, but nice in larger hands. When I say larger hands, something about a large to an extra large, if not bigger, will feel a little bit better. Yes, it's blocky. It's a very blocky shaped handle. And that's because this is actually meant for pretty much, it's CRKT's answer to a world legal knife. Kind of like Lansky and the McKill Williamson blades that they did. Well, this is pretty much that as well. I have yet to find a country, doesn't mean there's not one, but I have yet to find a country to where this knife is not legal there in some way, shape, form, or fashion. Now, like I said, there was a lock pin tool. You can see it right there. Here. Now, this lock pin tool is a T6 Torx bit that also doubles as a lock pin. You see the hole right here in the blade. You see the hole right here in the scales and through the liners. It's a through and through hole. So when you open it, this tool, the blunt part, goes in the hole and it actually just kind of pops and clips in place, which makes your folder, as CRKT likes to say, I love to say actually, a virtual fixed blade. There is a little bit, I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, but there's a slight bit of blade play with the pin in. And I actually like that. It keeps it from being a pressure fit, which means I know the pin's not going to get stuck in there unless I do something stupid like trying to baton with the pin in. But I'm not going to be that stupid. As you can see on mine, the pin sticks out just a little bit. There have been complaints about the pin not being long enough, but that's all right. Mine does not have that problem. And the only thing I do is push. Pin pops out. You can close it. This is also the, like I said, it's a tool as well. That T6 fits all the body screws, clip screw, and the pivot screw. And the cool thing is it tucks away right back in the butt of your handle. So, complaints. Well, pardon me. My only complaint about this is they say it's a slip joint. I dig that. I actually love the overall design of this particular slip joint because you can see right there in the liner, there are some cutouts. See if I can show y'all right there and right there. Y'all see those holes in the liners? Those are actually cutouts that are used as the springs, and those have some steel ball detents in them, both sides. Now, my complaint is I wish those ball detents would have been ceramic, something other than steel, because already from, let's see, I got this last Father's Day, and I already have flat spots on both detent balls. But that's my only complaint. It is a 3-position slip joint. Very nice. Like I said, it comes under the $35 range, depending on where you get it. That's it. I have no complaints about the ergos. As a matter of fact, the ergos fits my hand very well. I don't have any hot spots of any kind, no matter how I hold it. So it's a very comfortable blade, at least in my hand. Now, the one review I saw, the dude didn't like the fact about how easily it could disengage. Well, with a good grip, you don't have to worry about that too much, because unless you're doing a lot of like style cutting on something that doesn't require that much force, the force being used to actually cut is going to hold your blade in place, while the force from your thumb is going to make sure that it stays in place as well. So you got opposing forces making sure that your blade's not going to move when you use it. So a little bit of actual common thinking or common sense thinking about physics will let you know that you don't have to worry about, this being detrimental to use. So all that's out the way. Thank y'all very much for watching. I greatly appreciate all y'all. Sorry about the short vid. I don't have much space on my phone right now. I'm going to solve that here in a moment, because I actually have a couple more vids I want to pump out, and one of them is going to have to be at least a 10-minute vid. So thank you all very much for watching. It's a really sweet blade. I suggest y'all at least check it out. It does come with a model with VEF serrations on it as well. All right, that's it. Thank y'all very much for watching. Remember, keep your finger in the choil and have a nice day, y'all. Deuces.